Hey guys, welcome to the next video from Tech Gatha. This video we will look at what are comments and the type of comments available in Java. But before we go ahead and explore the comments in Java, let's go back to our childhood years. Remember in the childhood times, suppose you are acting in a script or a play. Now usually teachers give a script and supposedly I am playing a role of a queen and there is a king. And the setup involves a lawn. Queen has to go over there, sit in a thinking mode, and then the king arrives, maybe say after a while, and then the conversation starts. Of course, the queen needs to know when she has to go in the lawn and what will be her expression. Those things are written down on the paper before the actual conversation begins. Now it doesn't happen that when the actual play is getting executed in front of audience, the queen doesn't reads out, right? Now I'll go to the lawn and now I have to sit in a thinking mode. It's just for the queen's understanding what she has to do next. That's the same comments in any programming language. Comments are used just for the understanding of the developers. Reason? Maybe after a year, 2 years, 5 years, you may forget what you have written or what that particular code is providing or what functionality it is providing. Hence, then you have types of comments in Java. The types of comments are single line comment, multi-line comment, documentation comments. Single line comments, 2/, multi-line comments, single/, star, and you end with star and a /. Remember, it's reverse. Documentation comments, /, 2 star, star, and a slash. Now, why do you need these types of comments? Single line comments are used when you just need to write a single line of documentation for your code. Multi-line comments are used for writing what functionality your code provides. Documentation is something where you provide the author, who created, the date, the time it was created, for which company it was created, what version of the code that you have written, because definitely you may go on and change the functionalities, you may create versions of the same program. You also document any methods, parameters, variables that you are using in your code and what purpose they solve. So with this, let's go ahead and see how to implement comments in Java, and we'll also watch out that compiler ignores these comments. Now let's modify the previous code for introducing comments and see how comments behave in Java. Single line comments, if you remember, it's 2/. Multi-line comments, /, star, and then you end it with star and /. So you can see in a go, I can comment more than one lines. Documentation comments are usually used to document your code. So for example, here I can say author, that is Shalini Mittal, date, created, and you can provide say today's date, and maybe I can say the version of my code is 1.0. So you can document the code and you can also write some other stuff like for whom this program has been created and what it does. If in case you want to explain about this method, what it does, you can write inside the you can write the same for the multi-line comments. So I can say this is the main method that is executed by JVM. I can also write the parameters that it takes. So maybe I can say a string array as a parameter. So this is where basically you can write the comments. When I compile, you would see compiler gives me no errors. It just ignores all the comments that you have provided, and if I execute this program, you will see only these 3 lines gets executed. So let's check it out. Now when we execute, can you see? We get only 3 lines executed. So this is how you can use comments. At the same time, if you see in BlueJ, you can see it also shows me the previous output that's executed and the current one. If you do not want this, you can go ahead options and you can say clear screen at method call. Now, if you again execute this, you would see only you get the current execution. So this is how you can use comments to basically document your code so that even after years when you see your own code, you remember what the code is doing, created by whom, when, and the purpose of the same. With this, we come to an end of this video. Next video, we will be covering escape sequences. Till then, happy learning, take care, and bye-bye.